introduction.
Hey, Rainbow. I want you to help me practice swing practice. Okay. Just flap your wings. Okay. Go up high. Wahaha, I'm gonna get you. I got your friend. Now I need to get her. I'm gonna fly in the window and then get her. How is that easy? Well, no, my wings are gone. My wings are gone. Now I can't fly in. Oh wait, I keep climbing, but guards are open. Yes, and it's going. I'll save you. I hope you give me a thumbs up and I hope you have a great day.